In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed forms with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, conversion-ready form and grab the exact embed code you can place on your website or landing page. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Sites. This is where everything related to your web presence lives, including funnels, websites, and, what we need today, forms. Hover your cursor over Forms to reveal the available options so you can move straight into editing. Next, choose Builder. That opens the Form Builder interface, where you'll actually design what your visitors see. Click Add Form, then click Create to spin up a fresh form canvas. You'll see a blank layout and a panel of elements you can use, such as text fields, email, phone, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more. Now, drag and drop the elements you want into the canvas. Keep it focused on what you truly need to capture. For most lead capture, start with name and email, then add phone if it's essential. You can adjust labels and placeholders so the purpose of each field is crystal clear. Shorter forms convert better, so remove anything that isn't mission critical. If compliance matters for your use case, consider including a consent checkbox and phrasing that explains how you'll use the information. Visually, aim for consistent spacing and clear headings so the form is easy to scan on both desktop and mobile. When your layout feels right, click Integrate. This opens the publishing panel. Here, choose your embed layout type. Inline places the form directly in the flow of your page content. This is ideal for contact sections or pricing pages. A pop-up or sticky option can work well for site-wide lead capture, while a full-width layout blends seamlessly on landing pages. Pick the style that best matches where you plan to place it and the experience you want visitors to have. Finally, click Copy Embed Code. That snippet is your key to publishing. You'll paste it into your website or page builder wherever custom HTML or code can be added. Most platforms have a simple HTML block or code widget for this. After embedding, preview the page to make sure the form appears correctly, aligns with your design, and remains readable on mobile. If anything looks tight, give the surrounding section a bit more padding for breathing room. That's it. You clicked through Sites, opened the Form Builder, created your form with drag-and-drop elements, integrated it, selected an embed layout, and copied the code you'll use to publish. Thanks for watching, and happy building!